Are you thinking about becoming an entrepreneur in the network marketing industry? Well, becoming an entrepreneur is not for everyone, but there are many advantages for those who can handle it. In this video, I'm going to be talking about becoming an entrepreneur and what you need to do to succeed, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Usifiso Mhlongo here in Jomaneka Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. Or if you are on mobile, you can just use the link on the video description below to subscribe. So what exactly is an entrepreneur? Well, an entrepreneur is someone who sees a problem and then provides a service or a product that solves the problem for money. You know, they also provide opportunities for other people to make money, whether it's by hiring employees or recruiting business partners. Now, that's where being an entrepreneur in the network marketing industry comes in. Network marketers recruit people to build a business with them. You know, some people say that network marketers are not really entrepreneurs because they don't own the company or the products, which is true. But I still say they are entrepreneurs because with most network marketing opportunities, they can pass their business on to someone else, or they can even sell the business. So even though they don't own the physical company and their products, they do own the network that they build. So why do most entrepreneurs fail in network marketing? You know, there are so many reasons why people fail when becoming an entrepreneur in network marketing. You know, one of the biggest reasons people fail in network marketing is because they don't take responsibility for their own actions. You know, they look for success from everyone but themselves. And you know, they usually believe that, you know, their upline or their company is responsible for their success. You know, if they don't get the results, they'd say that, you know, the system that they were using wasn't good enough, or they'll make other excuses. You know, a lot of people come into network marketing with an employee mentality. You know, they are used to being told what to do, you know, when to do it and how long to do it for. You know, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you know, you have to understand that you must be self-motivated and driven. So if you need someone to always tell you what to do and you are not willing to figure things out yourself, then being an entrepreneur might not be right for you. So what must you expect when becoming an entrepreneur? You know, whether you are building a network marketing business or any other kind of business, you'll go through tough times. And that is a guarantee. You know, you have to be okay getting uncomfortable and taking risks. You need to be willing to do what others will not do. You know, your friends and family might think you are crazy because you are doing something that they've never seen done before. But you have to be willing to be the outsider or the outcast. You know, if you make the decision to become an entrepreneur, just understand that it won't be easy, but it will be worth it in the end. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.